Hey, it's Matt and Lisa for 360 Investigations. We're here at
the Soco Falls.
Soco, S-O-C-O.
Oh,
and as you could rotate the camera around, you'll see the waterfall. And then apparently there's two of them that merge into one. So I'm going to give you some scenery here, or Lisa will.
Two waterfalls that merge into one. So, between two mountains.
Actually, he's going to put it down. Okay, Lisa and Alana are back that way, but there's a second fall I'm going to go down and get, but it's so slick that you got to be really careful, you'll slip and fall. So I'm only going to go down there. Lisa doesn't want to because it's too slippery. So I'm going to try to get down here. I guess that's it. They don't want you going past this point. So I'm going to try to get in here the best I can. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. I slipped. There it is, I slipped. Oh, shit. Oh. All right. That's the other top. Here we go. As you can see, the waterfall from this one merges with that one and goes down the stream. It's technically a double waterfall. This is as far as I could go because it's roped off. Okay, so this is the end of Soco Falls. It was a short video, but for those of you wondering, it's very slippery out here.
Yeah.
So what I actually had to do, and people ask me, do I use my grappling hook? And the answer is yes, I actually do. I actually helped about 9 people get up this cliff because it's so slippery even though there's stairs. So if you actually turn around, you'll see, turn the camera around, you'll see it here on the ground. I actually have it adjusted up there. So we're gonna have to cut the camera to get it, cut this short to get up there. So I'll resume video when we get to the top.
Yep. This is Lisa.
And Matt, we'll see you at the top.
See you at the top.
Okay, so we made it to the top, and we just want to say
thank you for watching.
Yep, and stay safe during the COVID-19.
Yeah.
And this is Matt and Lisa for 360 Investigations saying, see you next time.
And yeah, take care.
Bye.